Hello, and thank you for your interest in the Asper Co-op Program. If you're exploring ways to gain real-world experience while earning your business degree, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. In this video, we will cover what it means to be a co-op student, the benefits of joining the program, the types of experiences you can expect, who's eligible to apply, and of course, how and when to apply. At the Asper School of Business, we take pride in having one of the largest co-op programs at the University of Manitoba. Each year, we offer over 300 placements with more than 100 different employer partner organizations. Throughout your academic journey, you will participate in 3 4-month work terms, alternating between work and academic terms. Some students may worry that co-op will extend their graduation by a year, but in fact, it typically adds just an extra term. Now, let's clarify what co-op really means and how it differs from the common perception of a summer internship. Co-op is all about work-integrated learning, providing you with the incredible opportunity to gain valuable professional work experience while pursuing your degree. It's an integral part of your academic program and not just a summer job. Co-op jobs offer relevant and practical business experience, going beyond basic filing and clerical tasks. This unique opportunity allows you to explore various professions, industries, companies, and majors. As you know, the modern work landscape has evolved. Many organizations have embraced flexible work arrangements, for example, enabling employees to split their time between the office and remote work. Throughout the course of your 3 co-op work terms then, students have the opportunity to sample different jobs and workplace environments. Suppose you're interested in supply chain. You can give it a shot, see if it's the right fit for you, and if so, continue down that path with confidence. On the other hand, if you discover that it's not for you, that's perfectly fine as well. Co-op empowers you to explore your interests by experimenting with diverse opportunities, giving you the freedom to course correct and make informed decisions about your future career path. Participating in the co-op program offers a multitude of benefits that can significantly enhance your academic and professional journey. You see, co-op is not just any ordinary work opportunity. It's an academic program that rewards you with credit hours for your work experience. One of the major advantages of co-op is that students gain a full year of valuable professional work experience before graduation. That is amazing. This experience becomes your competitive edge in today's job market because employers are seeking for well-rounded candidates with practical know-how and not just a high GPA. The stats speak for themselves. Typically about 95 to 100% of co-op grads secure full-time jobs after graduation. The work experience gained and the network built during co-op pays off significantly, with an impressive 80% of students continuing to work full-time for one of their previous co-op employers. Co-op truly paves the way for a successful career transition. Our employer network includes everything from large corporations to startups, government, and nonprofits. Co-op students get access to exclusive, well-paid roles with top employers who value drive and fresh perspective. These strong partnerships are a key part of what makes the co-op program successful. Yes, co-op is a paid opportunity, not an unpaid internship. The overall average hourly wage for a co-op student was $22.12 per hour in 2024, although wages do vary depending on the employer, of course. Our data from the annual grad survey shows that co-op grads typically earn higher wages than their peers who did not participate in co-op. Now, it's essential to understand that co-op is not a job placement guarantee. In other words, just because you're in the co-op program, it does not guarantee you've got a job. We say that, at the end of the day, it's still the co-op student that goes in for those interviews and speaks to their potential employer. It's still the co-op student who has to submit those applications and put their best foot forward. However, Our dedicated co-op staff provides support, coaching, and valuable exclusive resources to assist you in securing the placements that aligns with your goals and aspirations. Now, on that note, before your first work term, as co-op students, you get to take part in professional development workshops and one-on-one coaching. We'll help you build your resume, write cover letters, prepare for interviews, and navigate the job search, which can be confusing. You'll also learn how to transition smoothly into the professional workplace. All of this is provided to co-op students to help set you up for success once you get into your first work term. Now, here's a little visual of what the co-op schedule typically looks like. Students apply for co-op in the fall and then have their academic term and participate in all of the recruitment activities into the winter. That involves applications, interviews, etc. The first co-op work term starts in the summer. That's May to August. And like mentioned earlier, co-op is work integrated learning. So we alternate between a work term. After your first work term, you go into a full academic term in the fall. You go back to do a co-op work term in the winter, full-time studies back in the summer, and then you finish off your co-op experience with a full work term in the fall. And then the rest, before you graduate, are all academic terms as you need. So again, this is an at-a-glance view of what the co-op schedule typically looks like. So you might ask, who is eligible for the co-op program? First of all, entry is competitive and you must apply. To apply, you must be an Asper BCom student with a GPA of 2.5 or higher. You also need to have successfully completed IDM 1010, that's the prerequisite course, if you were admitted in fall 2023 or later. At the time of your first co-op work term, which, as we mentioned, was summer 2026, you should have between 45 to 81 credit hours. That includes your completed credits, plus what you're enrolled in for fall 2025 and winter 2026. Finally, we are looking for students who show genuine motivation, strong communication skills, and a commitment to personal and professional growth. Someone who can confidently represent the Asper School of Business in a mature and professional way. So if that's you, we encourage you to apply. Please do. How to apply? Well, our applications are open and they are done online through the Asper Career Portal. On the screen right now, there's a QR code that will take you straight to the Career Portal. If you don't have an account yet, it is free and easy to create one as a student. So follow the instructions and it will take you to a place where you can apply for co-op. The deadlines are as follows. For CPA early intake, those are accounting students who would like to participate in the CPA recruitment. Your deadline is August 24th. It's earlier than the general intake because CPA recruitment starts early and CPA jobs close September 29th. So you want to make sure you have the opportunity to be prepped, ready, and set up for success for recruitment. So again, if you're an accounting student interested in applying for CPA intake, apply by August 24th. If not, all other majors apply by September 22nd. When you visit our website, under the How to Apply section, there is a comprehensive information all about how to apply, all the instructions. There's also some screenshots there to provide you with some guidance. After the application deadline, the co-op staff will review applicants' eligibility based on GPA, credit hours, and of course the completed successful completion of IDM 1010. Eligible candidates will be contacted via email for the next step, which is our in-person group interview at the Drake Center. Instructions and details for the group interview will be provided at the time through the email. Now, if you still have questions and you would like to see a person 3D in person, no problem at all, reach out. You can find us at the Drake Center. Our office is room 254 and office hours are Mondays to Fridays from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Drop by anytime during office hours and some of our co-op staff will be there to help out. Now, co-op staff are also available by phone or email. Our contact information is on the website, but it's also on the screen there for you. If you would like to hear more, we do have our 3 co-op info sessions happening in September. The dates, times, and locations are all on the screen in that maroon box right up top here. Definitely come drop by, and we're happy to answer any questions you may have. Lastly, make sure to check us out on social media. Our Instagram at aspercdc.coop is amazing. It features so many co-op takeovers by students who are in the program. It also has some tips about application, has information about our upcoming career fairs, advice, and contests as well. So be sure to check us out and give us a follow if you haven't already. Thank you so much for your time and for viewing this video. Check out our YouTube channel and our co-op playlist for some information, some other videos of testimonials from students, things that you might find helpful at this stage. All the best with your application. We look forward to reviewing it. Take care. Bye.